Now let's flip the show. Let's get some experts in here and answer some questions.
Well, Fred and I have two separate Roth IRAs, but we have two sons. It's going to be a difficult thing for them when we die, and I hope that's not too soon, to split the two different IRAs between each other. Is that a difficult thing for them to do?
That's a good question, because I think this is what you're alluding to, is that, all right, I have an IRA, my spouse has an IRA, and it's like, okay, well, here, maybe I have one of my children have the beneficiary here and the one there. It doesn't necessarily work that way. Maybe you have $100,000 in yours and the spouse has $50,000, so there's $150,000 total in Roth IRAs. On your beneficiary form, you just want to make sure that they're set up the same, is that you have two children, 50-50, two children, 50-50. They're going to set up a stretch Roth IRA. That money is going to go into their own account. It's still going to be titled in those names, but the money's going to be the same. I mean, depending on how they name the beneficiaries. But if they mess with the beneficiary designations, then I think, yes, you could have some issues there, depending on the balances of each.
Right, exactly. And I would say this too, when it comes to these stretch IRAs, so this is a way for your kids or your beneficiaries, grandkids, whoever, to stretch this IRA or Roth IRA over their lifetime. In the case of a Roth IRA, there is a required minimum distribution for non-spouse beneficiaries, but it can be stretched over their lifetime. A lot of people don't understand, how does a stretch IRA work? Can I set it up while I'm living? The answer is no. It sets up after you pass away. Your kids have to know how to do this, or they have to have an advisor that knows how to do this. So if you have big IRA accounts, Roth IRA accounts, you want to be aware of that.
You got to be careful with these accounts, especially when you have multiple accounts going to the next generation. So to answer your question, yes, it could be a little bit difficult, but the mechanics is somewhat easy if you know what you're doing.
Yeah, Joe, so let's go to the next question. If my husband passes away prior to filing for his Social Security benefits, would the surviving wife's benefit on his Social Security record increase if she waits till age 70 to file for it? Or would her benefit be fixed at an amount at his full retirement age?
So no, the survivor benefit is going to be based on whatever the benefit is that he takes. If he passes prior to full retirement age, and so you're looking for a survivor benefit, and you say, you know what, I'm going to wait until my age 70, and then I'm going to take the survivor benefit, do I get an increase in overall payment? The answer is no. If your husband lived until age 70 and didn't claim his benefit till age 70, and then on his 70th birthday, when he got his first check, he died, then you would receive that larger benefit. But I think the question is, right, if he would pass prior to his full retirement age, and if she waited to age 70, would she get an increase in benefit? The answer is no.